In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group pages in Notion effectively. Notion is a versatile and dynamic platform that offers endless ways to organize your notes, plans, and projects. For those who are seeking to enhance their productivity and ensure a cleaner workspace, mastering how to group pages can be a game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a structured and intuitive workspace that will help you manage your tasks more efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Notion application on your device and navigate to the workspace where you want to organize your pages. This could be a personal space, a project page, or even a collaborative workspace with your team. Visualizing your current setup will help as we move through the steps. Once you've located your workspace, the next task is to decide the hierarchy or structure you want for your pages. For example, if you're working on a project, consider what main categories you'll need. This could include sections for research, tasks, documents, and upcoming meetings. These categories will become your main group headings. To begin grouping, create a new page, which will act as your main group heading. Click the Add a Page option, and you'll be prompted to name your new page. Let's say you name it Project Overview. This becomes the umbrella under which related pages will be nested. Now, let's move your existing pages under this new group. To do this, go to the sidebar, drag the pages you wish to group, and drop them onto your Project Overview page. Keep in mind, if you have not utilized the drag and drop feature much before, it may take a bit of practice to get the hang of it. You may notice the sidebar automatically adjusts to show your newly organized pages, allowing you to see your changes in real time. Once your pages are grouped, you can open the Project Overview page and see all linked content neatly nested underneath. This structure not only declutters your sidebar but also provides a centralized view of all project-related information. After you've grouped your pages, you might want to style and format your main pages to make them more visually appealing. In the Project Overview page, consider using headers, dividers, and color highlights to differentiate the sections further. This can make navigation more intuitive and engaging. Remember, the great thing about Notion is its flexibility. You can always reorganize pages as your needs change. You might spend a few minutes each week tweaking the setup based on how you work best. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to group pages in Notion, transforming your workspace into a well-organized hub of productivity. Don't forget to experiment and find what best suits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.